Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 4th, and this is my analysis of the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound dollar monthly, I still think this looks very much like an uptrend. I still think there's a very good likelihood that it is going to stretch out. It most likely is eventually going to take out these previous highs. I still think it's very likely to go up to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels. And I still think looking at correlated pairs that it probably is a wave C and eventually it is going to turn back down in a big way. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this first puts up as a 1. I still think this is a running flat wave 2. Definitely looks like 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then a downtrend. Higher high wave B, higher high wave C. Definitely fits the characteristics of a running flat wave 2. I think this is impulsive up wave 1. I think this is very likely a wave 2. Now, whether or not the wave 2 is over is still debatable. I mean, it could possibly go down and make a deeper correction before it does continue up. But hopefully we really do have the end of a wave 2, and hopefully we really are trending up for a wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, it definitely does look like a complete pattern. I mean, it does have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 look to it. I mean, it does look like an A, B, C, D, E, but it possibly could be like a wave A and a wave B, and it possibly could go up and then make a lower low and then go back down for a wave C before it actually does go up. Definitely a possibility. But a lot of the other dollar pairs do look like they possibly already had the end of a correction. So until this like makes either a break or starts at the downside or it makes a lower high, I definitely am looking for longs on shorter time frames, and I do expect that there's a likelihood that it will just keep on going up in a wave 3 and that the wave 2 is already over. So let's take a look at that on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this first move up is very clearly a trend. I think this impulsive down is an A. I think this is 3 waves up for a wave B, and this definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of C. Went right down to the 61.8, made nice impulsive up, nice break of structure. It looks like the end of a correction. Now this could possibly be an A, and this could possibly be a B, and it could go up and make a wave C. If it does go up and make a wave C, then it would probably go up around these previous highs and then turn down and break structure, proving that it's an ABC, and then it would continue back down like I was explaining on the daily. But if it really is a 1 and a 2, then it will do the same thing as a wave C, except for it will not break structure. It will continue to make higher highs, higher lows in a wave 3. So hopefully we can look for longs on shorter time frames and we can learn and earn at the same time whether this is a 1, 2, 3 or whether it's an ABC. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I personally am definitely looking for longs. Now we are at a previous area of resistance, so I wouldn't be surprised at all if it did make a big pullback. We do have non-farm payroll coming out this week, so I mean it probably is going to be a little bit rangy prior to that news. But if I do get a pullback, like a nice 3 wave pullback, especially if it does turn at a Fibonacci retracement of this last push up, then 3 waves down and pulsive up at a fib level, nice engulfing move to the upside would be my next entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Like I said, I believe we're going up in either a wave C or a wave 3. So either scenario, I am definitely looking for longs on these shorter time frames until the higher time frames tell me otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.